this is the largest hydrangea that I have, and this was started from a little cutting, probably about that big, and the bush is around 20 years old, probably just short of 20 years old, and it's about 5 foot tall, and equally at least 5 or 6 foot wide. And it's been growing here a long time. This was one of the ones, my original start hydrangeas that I started when I was a lot younger. And I'll take a look in the middle of this plant here. You can see how nice and thick these new branches are. You can see this one here. That's a brand new branch coming out of there. That just shows you how the root system is very developed in this. And a lot of the bottom branches are laying down. See, something like this one here has a tendency to lay down because it's shooting out from the side. And right here, there's another little plant that was it's in the ground here. It was laying on the ground. I don't see the branch in here, but oh, here it is. It's right there. You can see when I move that, the plant moves. So the branch is in the ground. That's making roots and creating a new plant. And it's gotten so big, you can see there's been some trim in here. It goes onto the sidewalk. It's a pretty nice plant. And again, I started that from a little cutting that I propagated in my propagation box, and this is what it looks like 20 years later. I want to show you this other cutting here. Not cutting, but the plant got buried in the ground here. You can see it's in the ground. It's touching the ground right there. And this whole piece right here is another plant. So it's making more plants just by growing here, growing so big. And obviously we have a good location because of the size of the plant. But it's my biggest plant. It's been growing here a long time, and I came over the other day and looked at it, and I was quite surprised how big this has gotten. Now it doesn't put on blue leaves, blue flowers. It might need a little treatment in the soil to do that if you wanted it to do that. And that is the biggest hydrangea that I have. Pretty nice. Hopefully next year we get more blooms. Hope we have a mild winter and the blooms get more plentiful. Look how big this. Here's the old growth right here. And here's a piece of new growth. The new growth is pretty substantial. Definitely a very healthy, vigorous plant.